1. Russia's health minister Mikhail Murashko said 14% of volunteers who received the Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine have complained of side effects such as muscle pain, weakness and fever. More than 300 people received the vaccine in the trial. These are predicted side effects and they usually disappear after a day or at maximum a day and a half, Murashko added. 2. Russian President Vladimir Putin extended wishes to Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his 70th birthday on Thursday. Putin stated, "I look forward to continue constructive dialogue with you and work closely together on topical issues of the bilateral and international agenda." Meanwhile, Nepal PM KP Sharma Oli also wished PM Modi and tweeted, "We will continue working closely together." 3. NASA and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration experts have announced that the solar minimum occurred in December 2019, marking the start of a new solar cycle. Scientists expect the sun's activity to ramp up toward the next predicted maximum in July 2025. During solar maximum, the sun is freckled with sunspots and its magnetic field is taut and tangled. 4. Migratory birds are dropping dead in the US, potentially in the hundreds of thousands, experts have said. Bluebirds, flycatchers, sparrows, and warblers are among the species falling out of the sky as a part of a mass die-off, said Martha Desmond, a professor at New Mexico State University. The wildfires may have contributed to the deaths of the bird, biologists said. 5. Officials in Germany's North Rhine-Westphalia state said that the 29 police officers have been suspended for sharing pictures of Adolf Hitler and doctored depictions of refugees in gas chambers in WhatsApp groups. They are also accused of sharing Nazi symbols banned under the German constitution. This is a disgrace for the NRW police, State Interior Minister Herbert Reul said. 6. The 75th session of the United Nations General Assembly began virtually due to the coronavirus pandemic, the first time the meeting is being held online. Turkish diplomat Volkan Bozkır took charge as the president of the 75th session, succeeding Nigeria's Tijani Muhammad Bande. UNGA's general debate will be addressed by more world leaders this year than ever before, Bozkır said. 7. US President Donald Trump denied downplaying the severity of coronavirus and claimed he upplayed it in terms of action. Notably, Trump's comments came after he admitted in a recently released audio recording of an interview to deliberately playing down the severity of coronavirus to avoid creating a panic. The US is the worst coronavirus-hit country with over 66 lakh cases. 8. Airport retailer duty-free shoppers. 89-year-old co-founder Chuck Feeney has completed his goal of donating his entire $8 billion fortune during his lifetime. In 2012, Feeney said he had set aside $2 million for his and his wife's retirement. "I am very satisfied. I feel very good about completing this on my watch," said Feeney, who has closed his 38-year-old Atlantic Philanthropies. 9. Apple has started rolling out the latest iOS 14 and iPad OS 14 updates in India, alongside the latest Watch OS 7 and TV OS 14. The company has decided to launch the latest iOS version before announcing the new iPhones this year, unlike past years. iOS 14 includes major updates to the app library, app clips and messages. And the last one is ByteDance will transfer TikTok's global business to a new US company, with Oracle as a minority shareholder, reported Financial Times. Oracle will reportedly have a stake in TikTok's global operations and not just the US business. Other US-based investors, including Walmart, who were reported to be bidding for TikTok, will also be brought on board as minority shareholders, the report added. Tell us in the comment section which type of news you are interested in.